Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to organize your voices in ElevenLabs. So actually guys, at first you will need to go with ElevenLabs.io website and then sign in with your account, okay? And then just go to the voice library. You can find it on the voices option under the home option on the left hand menu. So just click it just like so and then go with my voices here. So once you click it, you will see all your saved and cloned voices there. This is your main control center, okay? So now you will need to rename voices clearly, and that's very important. So instead of random names like voice 1 test, clone 2, audio test, use structured names like narrator, YouTube, podcast, Arabic, English, like deep male, energetic female, calm voice, formal, and casual, for example. So this makes filtering much easier later. So to rename it, you will need to go with the three dots next to the voice and then just go with edit voice here, and as you can see, this is the name, and here where you can rename it and then just go with edit voice. Also, you can use labels, categories if available on your plan. So some ElevenLabs plans allow tagging or organizing by cloned voices, professional voices, shared voices, and custom voices. But you can group them mentally by language, project type, tone, if calm, emotional, aggressive, etc. Of course, you can also delete the unused voices. Too many test voices create clutter. So to clean, you will need just to go here and then go with delete voice, okay, and only keep voices you actually use. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.